I don't know when it was, until maybe the early 90s or something like that. I don't know when the first one I went to, but I didn't catch the earlier ones. Uh-oh, here we go. Sorry.
That's all right.
This, he likes to be in on interviews, you know, he's a bit publicity conscious.
Yes, if you so you knew about the shows, but you not fancy it, you didn't. I mean, were there other people that you knew? so like, I'm going to have to check your microphone. I actually managed to do something just with one paw there to pull the mic.
And part of its importance for me is the fact that it slides a quite subversive message in via such a palatable pill. It's very... Uh-oh, here comes the cat again. Go away. Go on, eat some of your wild ocean fish stuff, whatever it is. He hates to be left out. Yeah, anyway.
So, yes.
Enough said on that.
Yeah.
If I were making an art prize, Andrew would certainly have been one of the people to consider in it. And because I think, aside from anything else, it's a good message to say to people, look, this can work too. Just as I was saying earlier, you know, I'd have Chris Morris as, if I was doing media studies syllabus in a school, I would definitely put him on it, because nobody else has thought about media in such an original way as him, as far as I can see. But there's such a resistance in the art world and in the world of education.
And so this year, as we go into the show, what do you imagine, you know, how do you imagine it might fit in now to this crunch time?
I'm sure there'll be a few jokes about bankers. Oh, sorry. Oh dear, here goes your sound system again.
Yeah, I know, I'm getting a severe paw rustling in my ear.
Yeah, he's poor thing, he's a little bit attention seeking. I suppose what I would like to say about Andrew is that his work and his being, his presence in London has been one of the really great features of the last 30, 40 years. He's just added such a quality of joy and lightness and fun and sensuality to London. I think he really deserves to be thanked for that. I can't imagine what it would have been like without him, rather dull actually. So I would like to personally thank him for that, and I think it's a shame that he isn't institutionally thanked for that a little bit more. Okay. Come on, baby, get off.
The cat's welded. Great.